Hello viewers, welcome to A to Z Classroom 2020. Today I will introduce a new tool from Google which can be used to prevent COVID-19 by ensuring social distances. Sodar is a tool of Google that can help keeping social distances while moving outside. To use this tool, no application is required. Google has introduced a new augmented reality tool to keep social distances. To prevent COVID-19 and to keep social distances, this application may play an awesome role. By using this tool, a virtual ring will appear surrounding you. This ring will be created by the help of rear camera of your smartphone. Now let's know how to install it. Just go to google/sodar or sodar.withgoogle.com. Tap on the launch button. By launching the button, a virtual 3-dimension map will be created and you will discover yourself inside a ring. You will be notified if any person comes in your protected ring area. Some other app developer tried to make this type of tools, but in that case, the other person has to switch on their Bluetooth option. Google informed that their tool can detect anyone without any Bluetooth range, even any kind of device. This is to be noted that the tool is applicable only for latest iOS and Android devices. You can check whether your phone is supported this tool by installing Augmented Reality Check or AR Check from Play Store. I hope this tool may help you to keep social distances and to win COVID-19. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment.